Hi everyone, Helen is here. Thank you for joining me, and in this video I'll be doing MailerLink review, a newly launched product brought to you by Branson Tate. I will give you all the following bonuses when you purchase MailerLink via my link below in the description. In this review video, I will share with you what MailerLink is, the benefit that you're gonna get from MailerLink. MailerLink is the world's first breakthrough app which taps into 4.1 billion email users worldwide. It's like having more than 50% of the entire global internet traffic at your fingertips. You see, in 2021 alone, there are over 4 billion email users worldwide with over 7 billion email accounts active. 95% of active consumers check email every single day. It means no matter what you are selling, you could get an unlimited supply of cash-in-hand buyers ready to deliver your offers. Any products, any niche, any market. Simply press send, mail blast any link for free buyer traffic in just 20 seconds. One mail blast equal earn $412. No website, no experience, no tech skills, no email list. And of course, I will highlight all the bonuses that you are going to get from the vendors and the bonuses that I'm going to give away. Should you decide to get MailerLink for yourself, don't forget to click on the link below. Only there you will be able to enjoy all my bonuses that I'll be talking to you right now. These bonuses were created by Jono Armstrong, my mentor. Now, let's go through these bonuses. My bonus number 1 is called Access Insurance. This bonus is basically a guide to Facebook ads, so we'll be able to use the traffic ads for promoting and for selling those products that you will sell. That's worth $427.95. My bonus number 2 is $200 per day on autopilot. This is again an amazing training program that shows you the exact system that was used to make over $200 every single day on autopilot, and this is worth $46.95. My bonus number 3 is worth $344.95, called How to Make an App in Less than 25 minutes, which is amazing, and I highly recommend you to follow up with this training. This will teach you how to create your first app for free in under 25 minutes. No prior knowledge required, and there's no need to understand coding. Just copy and paste from the links and pause the video to copy where necessary, and you can make your own app. My bonus number 4, that was $267, is Rich People Inboxes using Stealth. This is a great free social media marketing strategy that shows you how to stealth your way into hundreds of thousands of targeted people's email inboxes without an autoresponder. You can use the stealth method to 10 times your income. Bonus number 5 is the vendor bonuses. Branson is offering you many bonuses. Bonus number 1, you get a VIP ticket to our private live online masterclass where you reveal how you make $1,000 daily plus Q&A to answer any your question live. Value of this bonus is $1,997. Bonus number 2 is point and click. It is the system to get your first commission on WordPress and ClickBank in 30 seconds for free, even you are a complete beginner. Value $997. Bonus number 3 is our secret weapon for getting viral traffic and blasting any link to 500 million buyers overnight in one click. Value $497. Bonus number 4 is add an extra $200 to $500 daily income stream for yourself with our full agency and commercial license by selling gigs our services using MailerLink. Value $1,497. Bonus number 5 is Insider's Guide shows you how we've generated over $1 million online and how we plan to scale it to 20 million per year. Value 1,997. As I said, my bonuses are time sensitive. So if you think this is something for you, click on the link that is posted in the description box below this video and claim your bonuses. So when you click on the link down below in the description, it's going to bring you to my bonus page, and viral link is going to be activated on the 22nd of July on 11 a.m. Eastern. You click on the link on the top of my bonus page or any of these yellow button on my bonus page to come to the sale page where you can pick all my bonuses along with vendor bonuses for free of charge. And another thing you need to bear in mind is that you need to take action before the countdown time on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses will expire. So hope you are not going to miss all these bonuses. All these bonuses will be yours for free, additional to you when you get mailing for yourself. If this is something you are interested in, stick with me. I'm giving more details at the member area. MailerLink is a software solution for traffic that you've never seen before. You're gonna be getting free email leads on demand in any product, any niche, any market, and no experience required. Now, I'm going to show you the sales page quickly, and later you can read it in your own time. MailerLink is a 100% new, never before seen solution. Autopilot buyer traffic in 20 seconds. Total newbie are getting traffic and sales literally overnight. Works in any niche you want and achieve financial freedom. You can see the result. We started a 30-day MailerLink challenge, send one X mail blast every day. You also can see the result of 21 newbie beta testers. It's now confirmed that every beginners are getting real results with MailerLink. Like a car needs a fuel to run, you need traffic. Without traffic, you will never make any money. It doesn't matter what strategy you are using. That's the reason why most beginners and probably are still failing. Regardless of what you are selling, where it is, affiliate products, CPA offers, your own products, e-commerce products, physical, digital products, high-ticket products, services, coaching, consulting, traditional office businesses. If you can't get traffic, then nothing is going to happen. Traffic is a ticket to financial freedom. The importance is you need buyer traffic that has cash in hands. Because if millions of people visit your link, it doesn't matter. They won't be able to buy anything, which means you won't make any money. That's why it's essential for you to have a large supply of traffic that wants to buy. Now, having understood that buyer traffic is the key to freedom, here's some of the stats about emails. Over 3 million emails are sent every second. Over 7 billion active email accounts. 97% of consumers check email every day. Over $171 billion in sales and revenue came from emails. This is the opportunity. This is 12 reasons why you must grab MailerLink. One, you are one click away from free buyer traffic. Tap into 4.1 billion email users worldwide. Mail blast your link and offer in front of 50% of the entire human population. Get real buyer with cash in hand ready to buy. No monthly fees, pay once and use MailerLink forever. Works in any niche, no tech skills or experience needed. Total newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight. Act now to log in the $8,982 free VIP bonus package. The price is rising. If you wait, you'll pay more. Get started risk-free with a 365-day money-back guarantee. Get results or get paid $200. Grab MailerLink. You will be provided 100% fresh new MailerLink software, step-by-step training videos, 5 ways to make $500 daily with MailerLink, mastermind community group, 24 hours 7 day world-class support team, and all the vendors bonuses and my bonuses. So let me show you how this works. As you might have seen in the dashboard, there's a lot of different features that you can do with this software. First, we will let the downloaded page, created images and total campaign over here. The usage of your MailerLink account, how much pages you have downloaded by using our page builder, how much image you can create it by using our image creator, and the total campaign that you have done by using our email marketing. So below that there is a 5 offers where you can find the latest JVZoo offer, Oreo Plus and ClickBank offer. So this will help you to search out offers from these 3 most used affiliate network sites on internet. All the related offers and the latest offer are available over here. There is a sales page which will give you more knowledge about the product that you are going to promote, and if you like it, you can grab the ideas with one click. It will redirect you to your ClickBank account now. There is Get Leads, which will help you to get the leads, to get the buyer list from this search engine and social networks. Just put the keyword make analysis and the leads will be appeared to you. You can download it on an Excel file. For example, make money online, click on analysis and you are going to get all these emails that you can instantly add to your autoresponder. The cool thing is that MailerLink will actually get you leads from Google, Facebook, Bing, Yahoo, Wiki, Amazon, Instagram and TikTok. So it saves you a lot of time. If you would like to do this manually, it will probably take you like an hour. With MailerLink, it takes you a few seconds because this is all automated. Then there is a page builder where you can get various kinds of templates that is being designed by the vendors hired professional graphics designer. And if you click on design, it will redirect you to the templates editor where everything in front of your eyes is customizable. With this function, you can actually create a new page for your promotion. You have all of these different templates that you can choose from. As you can see, many different designs are made, many different niches we have. There is image creator, which will help you to create image with your niche. Choose the niche you want to work with and then choose one template and edit the same and save it on your computer. Here is image gallery where all of your saved image will be available. You can download the image from here. You can delete the image from here. So you're gonna have everything that you need to create successful email marketing campaigns. Next, there is a subscriber manager, which will help you to segregate your subscriber into a particular group. You can add the leads that you got from MailerLink into the MailerLink app. So as you can see, then you can further group this email. You can do a contact group or you can do a contact book. Be managing contacts by group email campaigns. You can do imports, you can manage the contacts, etc. Then there is email marketing, which will make you make your email into autopilot. You don't need to work hard, you just need to work smarter to grow your business. From here, you can set the email up, the email API, then the email template. You can do by using the email template. You can create the email campaign, and then by using multiple campaign, you can sequence the campaign based on the day and the date you are using. Then, if you are finding any difficulties by using the software, then you can reach out to 24-hour support desk. Just raise a ticket and the support team will reach out to you as soon as possible. And then there is a training which will give you a brief knowledge about the software. So right here you're going to get all the video training on how to find offers, how to get leads, how to use the page builder, how to use the image creator, the subscriber manager, and how to do email marketing in general. And let me go through with you on the pricing and of MailerLink. As you can see, front end MailerLink is $17 and downsell is $13. Access the powerful mailing software and training modules. Option number 1, MailerLink Unlimited, $47 and downsell is $37. Unlock the all premium feature of MailerLink. Supercharge your MailerLink account to 100x profit twice as fast with unlimited edition. Remove all limits, create unlimited MailerLink traffic campaigns, get unlimited free buyer traffic, get unlimited leads sales on autopilot. Option number 2 is MailerLink Done For You. Cost $197 and downsell is $97. Generate 100% hands-free income while we do all the work for you. Enjoy luxury experience as our expert team specially prepared all done for you package for you. Get an unfair advantage with all our proven resources. Traffic campaigns, sweeps, funnels, templates, videos, articles, media files, PDF files, and many for your maximum results. Unlike anything else you've seen in the marketplace, we actually hired a full-time professional to manually handcraft a package for you, so there's no technical skills or experience needed. Guaranteed success. Best option for anyone who are too busy, lazy, or simply have no time on their hands. Plus added automation feature to automate MailerLink so you can sit back and relax. Option number 3, MailerLink monetization, $97, downsells $47. Turn the traffic you generate with MailerLink into profits. Enjoy $1,000 to $5,000 of paydays with high ticket commissions. Copy and paste the exact done for you campaigns we use to generate $32,000 in 30 days. Done for you campaign, done for you funnel, done for you email sweeps, done for you offers proven to convert, done for you bonuses to offer. Option number 4 is a MailerLink limitless traffic, $167 and downsell is $67. Instantly tap into our professional diamond source of viral traffic for unlimited sales and commissions. The exact traffic secret we use to generate $400,000 in 4 months, averaging $1,000 per month. Like literally owning a veteran ATM machine. 100% done for you. A free buyer traffic on autopilot by tapping into our sources with no limit. Lifetime access to our traffic source, pay once and enjoy forever. Bonus additional premium free traffic apps. Bonus training and tutorial video step-by-step guide included. Bonus a real-life case study. And option number 5 is MailerLink franchise partner license, $497. Downsell is $97. Become our official franchise partner. Sell MailerLink while keeping 100% of the commissions, guaranteed approval. Get paid up to $1,127 per visitor you send us. Business in a box. You get to use our proven to convert professional designed pages, funnels, and resources. Let our professional team to handle all support for you. Nothing for you to upload or host. Option number 6, MailerLink, the missing piece, is $97 and downsell is $47. This missing piece accidentally found out by a MailerLink beta tester pocket us an additional $300 to $500 daily. Works surprisingly well with the MailerLink. We've seen 5x income boost with this missing piece. You are leaving money on the table without this unique upgrade. And another income stream to your arsenal. Bonus training and tutorial video included. There is no risk because you are protected by our money back guarantee. If you don't get paid, you will be sent the money back. So you have no excuse not to try MailerLink for yourself. Remember to click on the link below for more information. And you can see MailerLink is a very powerful product that you need right now to earn online income. all the work has already been done for you. So if you think this is something for you, click the link in the description box below where you can get MailerLink and enjoy all the bonuses that I've offered to you. And don't forget to subscribe and smash the notifications bell. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.